You ever leave a conversation and think, why they not like me? You said the funny thing, you said the smart thing, you tried so hard and still, nothing. They forget you the second you walk away. And then there is that one person, not the loudest, not the best looking, but when they walk in, the whole room turn a little warmer, and everybody want to be near them. And you wonder, what do they have that you don't? Toby wondered the same thing for a long time. Then Toby watched it happen up close to a friend, a turtle. His name is Tony. Tony want to be liked more than anything in the world, and Tony think he know the secret. Be impressive. So at every party, Tony turn it all the way up. He tell the loudest jokes. He talk about all the cool things he done. He drop the smooth lines he practice in the mirror. And he always keep his phone in his hand, so he look busy and important and cool for about 5 minutes at work. The turtles laugh, and then one by one they drift away to go talk to someone else, and Tony end up standing by the snacks alone. The harder Tony try to be interesting, the more alone he get, and he never understand why. Here's the thing, Tony miss. The turtles everybody love. They not the ones doing all the talking. They the quiet ones. The ones who look at you like what you saying actually matter. The ones who ask a question and then really listen to the answer. When you around a turtle like that, something funny happen. You walk away feeling good, not because they were so interesting, but because they made you feel interesting. Like for a minute you were the only turtle in the room. That is the whole secret. Charisma is not being interesting. Charisma is being interested. Tony had it backward his whole life. He's so busy trying to be somebody worth liking, he never made anybody feel liked. Toby watched Tony on a date one time. A nice girl, turtle, and Tony talk about himself. The whole dinner. He thought he was killing it. She smile, polite, the whole way through, and she never call him back. Tony never even ask her one question about her. And here's what make it worse today. Everybody is only half here. You talking to someone but their eyes keep flicking to their phone. They not really listening, they just waiting for their turn to talk. So when a turtle come along who actually slow down, put the phone away, and give you their whole attention, it feel almost like magic, because it is so rare now. That is the door Tony never saw. He has been the phone turtle this whole time. One day, Tony got tired of standing by the snacks, so he tried something different. No practiced lines, no prepared jokes. He just put his phone away. He walked up to one turtle and asked them a question, a real one. And then the hard part, he actually listened. He didn't wait for his turn. He didn't make it about him. He just let the other turtle talk, lean in, and ask one more question. And something changed. The turtle in front of him light up, because somebody finally was really paying attention. Tony do it again with the next turtle, and the next. He is not performing, he is not being impressive, he barely talking at all, and by the end of the night, Tony is the turtle everybody want to be around. Same Tony. He just stopped trying to be interesting and start being interested. And that girl turtle? Next time Tony ask about her, and listen, like she the only turtle in the world. She call him back this time. But Tony learned one last thing, and it is the most important. This only work because Tony actually care. You cannot fake it. You can learn all the tricks. Ask the question, nod your head, put the phone away, but if you're doing it just to get something, to be liked, to look good, the other turtle will feel it. A fake is a fake. Real charisma is not a trick you do to people, it is just making a little room for someone else. Caring, for real, even for 1 minute. That is it. That is the whole thing. So, if you can only remember one thing, charisma is not being interesting, it is making people feel interesting. Next time you talk to somebody, put the phone down, ask them one real question, and actually listen. You don't have to be the most interesting one in the room. You just have to make one person feel like they are. Toby, say thanks for sitting with him. Toss Toby a strawberry. And don't forget to hit subscribe. And go make somebody feel like they the only turtle in the room. Slow and steady.